Morning. Welcome back. I hope you're all well and healthy. We're very fortunate that the weather's so fantastic, so hopefully you'll get outside and enjoy the wonderful sunshine later on. Okay, today's lesson, we're going to continue to focus on paragraphs. So the ally for the lesson is to group ideas into paragraphs around a theme. I'm just going to play a part of yesterday's video just to remind you about TipTop. When you're thinking about paragraph writing. So TI stands for time. You move to a new period of time, it means that you will have to move and create a new paragraph. P stands for place. If you introduce a new place in your piece of writing, you start a new paragraph. So if you start off at the airport waiting for your plane, and then you begin to talk about or write about being in the plane, you would then begin a new paragraph because you're in a different place or location. TO for the beginning of top stands for topic. If you change the topic, then it means that you need to start a new paragraph. So for instance, if you're writing about a cat and you talk about where a cat lives, and then you change to the food that a cat eats, it means that you will need to start a new paragraph. And finally, the P stands for person or character. If you introduce a new character or person, you need to change to another paragraph. So thinking about speech marks or direct speech, if a person talks in your piece of writing and you use speech marks, each time a new character speaks, you need to start on a new line. So, right, this is yesterday's work that we shared. Now today, I'm going to share one other piece of work. And the person who wrote this, I won't tell you who it is at the moment, we'll wait until Friday. The person who wrote it did follow TipTop, fortunately. So I'm just going to read the first two paragraphs. The tiger stepped forward to see what was there, but saw nothing. Suddenly, the tiger heard another noise and some rapid movement behind him. It probably was the same thing. And then we move to paragraph 2 because there's a change of topic. The tiger came close very slowly, and he saw a deer in the long grass. He jumped and got her. It was a successful hunt. The tiger had a wonderful lunch. So you can see that the person here followed TipTop. And in today's work, you need to try and follow TipTop again. So let's have a look at the work that you've been set on Purple Mash. So when you click on the app, you will end up on this page. So the task is write a newspaper article about the discovery of some dinosaur bones. Now it's important that you remember to write using paragraphs, because that's the ally for the lesson. So this story just happens to be about a newspaper article about someone discovering some dinosaur bones. Now the important part to using this app is that you use the think about words on the left hand side. If you use those words, they will help you to construct your paragraphs. So when were the bones found? Were they all found at the same time? So if we think about that first question, it's related to time. Was it found last week, 2 days ago, yesterday? So that will give you paragraph 1. And if we move to the second word, the second question, what? What has been found? What is different about these bones? Well, we could think of what as being a new topic, because you would be then talking about the bones that have been found. Do they belong to a certain type of dinosaur? Paragraph 3 could be based around where. Where were the bones found? Now that would be paragraph 3, because we're now referring to or thinking about the place. So there's a change of place, so therefore we would have a new paragraph. And we can continue down to the question who. Who found the bones? So in this paragraph, you could be just introducing a new character. Was it a builder? Was it someone who was just mowing their lawn? Or was it someone who was digging a hole and they just happened to come across these bones? So you're introducing a new character, so therefore you would have the beginning of a new paragraph. So continue to use the think about words. They help you to organize your newspaper report. And if you organize it according to the questions under think about, you'll end up with paragraphs. Good luck with this task. I look forward to seeing your work. Please, if you can, email your work in. Thank you very much. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.